So I'm Rhiannon and this is Kayleigh. We live in this house that we moved into in June, and we live with our little girl Lyra and our spaniel Herbie. We desperately needed a change because in the old bedroom we literally just had a bed and clothes rails.
Whereas now we wake up and it's just a lovely calm space to be in. So finding our builders for the bedroom was really easy.
We wanted the same fitters to come back because I think they did such a lovely job on the kitchen, didn't they?
The quality, yeah.
The quality was just spot on, and they thought about little things that maybe we wouldn't have thought about, so we knew that they'd be perfect for the bedroom.
So we went to the Howdens Expo in Raunds.
We went into the wardrobes. You used the pull down rail, didn't you?
Yes.
And we were able to test all the drawers. We talked about design features that we really wanted and maybe some that we weren't as interested in.
So Howdens have provided us with the wardrobes, the flooring, panelling, the door, and also the side tables. The door balcony we actually saw in a pantry, didn't we, when we went to the expo? We saw it and thought, what a good idea.
The corner storage is a really good feature, something we hadn't even considered until the designer came around with their designs, and I think it's a really good feature. Rob and Jamie knew exactly how to make the most of the space. They made it feel so much bigger and more functional.
They're so professional, their attention to detail, you know, the finished quality of their work is really good. And we wouldn't pick anybody else now to
do anything in the house.
No, we love it. It's stylish, practical, and feels like a completely new space.